go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking.
Guys, it's your girl Coco
and it's your girl Naree, and we back with another video. But today we got something new for y'all. What we got for them?
we got a cooking video for y'all.
Cooking video part 1, y'all. Part one. But today, y'all, today is our signature.
Signature. I don't think they ready.
They ain't ready.
They ain't ready.
I'm ugly. Today we cooking our signature baked potato ground beef. It's just a loaded baked potato.
Basically. But it's our signature though.
Right.
Cause it's good.
It's good. All right. So where we finna go? Go ahead.
We're going to the kitchen. Much. We're so gay. Okay.
All right, y'all. All right. Turn this to the side
So we can let y'all see. So first, you want to get you 2 potatoes, and we already got 2 potatoes right here. Oh, she's acting weird. Don't act weird while you do this. It won't work.
So you get you 2 potatoes. You rinse them joints out. We already rinsed them off.
You know, it's still dripping a little bit, but yeah.
Get you 2 potatoes or whatever. Set them joints right there. Then you get your oven, right?
And you preheat that mud to 455.
455.
455.
Then
Then
you get you some
foil.
aluminum foil. Don't cut yourself, cause she almost did. But yeah, you get you some aluminum foil. She said, you get you some aluminum foil. This ain't enough. Didn't want to cooperate with it. So you get you some aluminum foil, like that. You probably look crazy. And you wrap your thing up, your baked potato with. Then after you wrap your baked potato,
You put it in the dishwasher.
we can't never be serious until you wash. I mean,
We already messed it up. It's okay, y'all.
after you wrap it, you get you a fork and you stick holes in there. This is a new thing, cause it cook fast if you stick the holes in there, huh? Okay, good. Y'all, I put lashes on for the second time and I think I'm so ugly. Y'all, she just want to make everything perfect.
Nah, good. Just want my junk to cook.
So
Fast.
after you do that, okay, man. That's fine.
Okay, we done. Best friend, why you tell me how to I know my screen was ugly.
Oh, y'all, we at best friend house today.
Hot in there.
It's pretty smoking. So we're gonna show my best friend putting the baked potatoes in there.
Well, I got you.
I mean the unbaked potatoes in there.
Okay, so where I supposed to put it in? The top or the bottom?
Girl, you made it before.
I sure did.
Yeah.
It's like hot in there. Bro, it's hot. You take it.
Yo, she funny as heck.
Yeah.
Y'all, we good kids. We don't cuss.
We don't. Now, yeah, we got some ground turkey, but we're not finna cook it right now. We're gonna wait till it's like.
I didn't lick it. I did not. Y'all, I'm so tall. Like in all of my videos, this is how y'all see me. It's like
we
this.
beside each other.
So then after that, we let the potatoes cook, and once the potatoes are almost done, that's when we start cooking the ground beef,
Or
turkey.
ground turkey or whatever. We ain't got no ground beef, so we're gonna use ground turkey. Same thing.
Yeah. That's when we start cooking the ground turkey. Getting the cheese ready. Oh, baby, she didn't stack up. What's this?
Good.
And you was just ready. You was just ready. You knew we was gonna make this. That's why you took it out. But yeah, y'all. First freaking cooking with the Coco and Naree. Yo, no cheese?
No shrimp.
Oh, that's fine, baby.
It's not fun.
Cause what's the name? Regular cheese make it taste better to me. You don't got regular cheese either?
We did. Shit.
Shush.
Oh, y'all, I'm sorry.
She bad, y'all.
Earlier we had some.
She said she, not
Like she is
crazy.
oh.
Okay. All right, y'all.
We'll catch y'all when these after how many minutes?
After like about 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah. And we'll catch y'all later if we find some cheese.
We finna walk to the store, y'all. We'll be back.
Yeah, we finna walk to the stuff. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a transformation. What's that thing? Where we like spin around and then when the video turn back on, we spin it around and then we back where we at. Okay, come on.
Should we turn the light?
Yeah, you turned the light off. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, this way. 1, 2, 3. And we're back! We so lame. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now we done got the I'm sorry, you guys.
So we done got the potatoes. Potato, tomato. Ooh, that's hot. And
So yeah, we got them bad boys. Y'all, we ain't got no cheese, unfortunately.
I'm kind of sad because, baby, the cheese makes it.
Exactly. We had some cheese earlier, but my family, we
Girl, Velveeta cheese. Oh, Jesus, thank you, Jesus. I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with me, but something is
when
wrong
I
with
eat
me.
this, I'm going to bed.
Oh, I got a wedgie. Wedgie in my booty, feeling tight. Chico, chico, pop. My hands laying on my costume.
Best friend, what's Zacharia's last name?
Zacharia Pruitt. Okay, man, we just gonna have to keep it like that, y'all. Sorry.
La la la.
Yeah, so today
And some cinnamon.
is actually best friend's cooking video because I didn't cook anything.
I mean, you sure did. I just realized it. And you can't because you just.
Talk about.
Stop cussing.
Oh yeah. I thought a wedgie. my ass so fat. Oh my goodness.
Let's stop
We
cussing.
can't do this because we're not good YouTubers.
Some of them people be cussing.
But we can.
No.
All people watch this shoot. So
My mama know I could.
while best friends cooking, I'm going to get me.
Well, I was for the cuss again.
Okay, let me stop before my mama can see this and I get in trouble. I'm finna get
So I got
me
a strainer.
I'm finna get me she's straining it and it's not even finna be done yet.
Yeah, but you still need to strain.
Girl,
You guys, my best friend know how to cook, but
look how red this stove is. Girl.
gotta pay. I never.
Oh my god.
Girl, you scared me. Y'all never had ground turkey before? My best friend said it's good. But it smelled like something I had or like something like that. And it don't look like no doggone ground beef. You're looking a little healthy. I ain't gonna cap. Chill out with the beef and get some turkey instead. Hey. Okay. Now I'm gonna get thick one day, and I'm gonna be. Let me put these up. All right, let me go please.
Oh my god, I need to stop cooking.
Let's watch a scary movie.
I don't know how to work this thing.
Work with. I'll help you.
I got a slow best friend.
She act like my grandma. Oh damn! I think we should have put pants on it, huh? What kind of up here? I think it's still though. I have to just stuff it on my pants.
Let me go sit on this thing.
Yeah, you do it.
You have no.
Aw, sorry. Anyways. It's like, how the hell did that pig get in here? Ooh. Is it good?
That needs some more seasoning.
I know I'm gonna put the seasoning at the end too. Cause you know I had put it in there, then I had drained it. Okay, while that's cooking,
We're gonna make our plates.
y'all see how she tried to throw it in? So we just gonna peel it. That's good.
Okay, well y'all can see what she's doing.
Cause I was, you know what, this time? Okay, and this is done. Can y'all see?
We gotta skip the part.
See.
Best friend, you be on some adventurous thing. This girl got the whole camera upside down.
Okay, y'all. So then y'all just go, don't do that. You scared me.
I burned myself.
Y'all see how steaming it is? So if the camera get foggy, you don't know why. Okay. Okay, y'all. So now this is my best friend hands. I just clean my hands. Yeah, we good. She ain't gonna touch the peel anyway. I did just clean. Okay, this time I did for real. You open it and you push.
Who's his name? His name's the baby thing? Your mama didn't just man me upset.
What?
Highly upset. Who Nutri-Brain in drawers is these?
Bars or drawers?
Nutri-Brain bars.
Probably my mom's. Or anybody's, cause you know.
We don't care.
Okay, y'all. So as y'all see, it's steaming real bad. Now we're finna get us a plate. Bitch, get us a plate. Let's see if she know what the place is. Look, of course she gonna go to the dishwasher. I want to tell about that type of thing. Yeah. Go for you.
You need to stop doing that nanny stuff.
You need one.
There's two.
I know, and you need one. Oh. Okay, this your plate right here. Look at her. She breaking it. Give me this. Come on. Hey, baby. We gonna switch.
Y'all, I'm not slow. I just be acting like that. Girl, you know I can see you, right?
Yeah.
You're not slick. Best friend, little do you know, you was cooking that chicken. I was doing the same thing you was doing, but you didn't know I was doing it. Little do you know.
What you talking about me?
I was talking about you. Yeah, I can't keep secrets from my best friend. It's just one thing I can't do.
One thing we can't do.
No, she can do that.
No, I can't.
She always can do that. Girl, you wouldn't slap your mama.
This ain't no slap your mama. This is Creole seasoning.
Oh.
This that Tony's, y'all. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
I gotta get all the potato off.
Yeah.
And then after I get all the potato off, this is what is left. The skin. Throw that skin away.
We put these good.
Right. We left them in. And you said we was on the phone with what's his name? What's them names?
For like
an hour.
Yeah.
So we left these potatoes in here for about an hour and 30 minutes. Don't disgust me. Tag me
When
in
you
if
with
you know.
your maggot on friends, don't discuss me, girl.
Tag me if you know this song. We've been recording for 11 minutes. We'll be back. We back.
Okay, y'all.
So now we are getting butter. That we don't have a lot of. So, oh yes we do. 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 Yes we do.
This time we going to the mall and we going to Chili's again. Remember last time we went to the mall, we went to Chili's?
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh Jesus.
It's the most. I ain't know.
But yeah, we had went to Chili's and that was the worst. That was
We didn't really want to eat. We was just ready to go home.
because they was acting like they couldn't pay for our food and stuff. They was acting no. They made me mad. So I was like, no, I'm not hungry. And then they just act like they didn't have no money. Like, okay, why are we coming here? And y'all know. And then they talking about something we gonna have to share. No, I don't like sharing. Shit, I'm best friend. I gotta smack my cheek every time I say a bad word. Like, no, we're not finna share food. I mean, I can share food with my best friend, but I was really hungry though.
Yeah, because we barely even ate. What did we even eat?
We ate some eggs. We ate some eggs. We had ate breakfast.
I mean, you don't know what I did, so never mind.
What you did? I wanna know.
Martin.
You know, you see how she don't tell me nothing. She always changing up the subjects.
Not me. So y'all got some Velveeta. Never mind. I'm not, no.
Yes.
Velveeta.
What is it?
Not Velveeta.
It's cheese.
But not the good Velveeta. No, I told him, I said, my nigga prefer the cheese. But that little bad-built son of a gun didn't even get no cheese.
You see how she talk about her mom? But it's okay, because I do the same.
Sure do. So you have no room at all.
Because she bad built too. No, my mama thick, never mind.
Sure is.
My mama is thick. She too thick.
She thicker than a snicker.
Fine.
And she can take your nigga.
You need to wake up. Shit.
Take a hug.
I mean, shoot.
We all have a lot of meat.
Best friend, can you edit this video?
No.
I just edited what's the name? A routine.
No, you did.
Yes, I did.
Okay, and I edited a video.
No, you didn't. Shoot, you couldn't even see nothing.
I ain't okay, and
Okay, y'all. So if this video is not up, it's because she didn't edit it.
no,
I'm not
it's
editing
because no, you the one who wanted to do it.
Okay, well, I decided not to edit. So this video will not be going up.
So this video is useless.
Girl! Y'all heard that echo, y'all?
Y'all still ain't got no furniture, y'all. That's why it's echoing.
You just been telling all your business.
Well, I mean, we don't.
So y'all, we was just rambling, so that's gonna be a whole freaking sped up video right there.
Now you're gonna add your meat on top. And I'm gonna go slow just so she, what? Just so she can.
What? Y'all see
Just so
this?
she can wait.
It's a bodysuit. Everybody keep telling me that.
Yeah,
it's
you
not
know,
a
cause she
bodysuit.
got a lot of bodysuits. Y'all wanna see? Best friend, you gonna show me your video?
You guys, we will get demonetized if I show you that video.
Swear to God.
Dang, best friend.
That's what I was dropping earlier, and I thought he ain't see it. It's okay.
Hopefully this stuff is good.
I feel like it's, y'all, I never had no doggone turkey bacon. Wait, what? Turkey beef? No! Ground beef.
Turkey meat.
ground. Oh, turkey meat. Ground turkey. There you go, there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna add some bacon bits on top. So now I got 2 meats. And you
Seasoned
gonna put
just
it in the
right.
microwave for we're gonna do 1 minute because when you with your maggot friends, don't disgust me.
Y'all, my best friend's skin is soft. She be on that moisturized stuff.
Oh shoot! I don't want the rest. If I get some more potatoes,
I mean, if I had some more potatoes left, I'd get the rest. So ugly, y'all. My best friend is funny, but she ugly. Y'all, so my best friend act like she bad and bougie and can't use this cheese. But baby, I'm finna use this cheese because this cheese gonna make the everything get it together. When you with your maggot friends, don't discuss me. Don't discuss me. No.
I just went all the way around.
You added something to my cup.
No,
Best friend, what kind of friend is you?
a best one. He put some cheese on mine, but like a little bit. I'm thirsty.
You always thirsty for something. Next thing you know, she gonna be thirsty for that dick. Oh. Okay, I had to pause so I could just edit all of that out. I got Netflix on my phone. If you So y'all, we gonna show y'all when we done with the food. We're gonna show y'all. We're gonna show y'all when we done with the food, the end results of the food. when we eating the food, when we watching our movies. We probably not gonna show y'all all of that, but we gonna show y'all.
We gonna show y'all something.
We gonna show y'all something. So I will see y'all when we see y'all. All right, y'all. So we back, and our plates are done. Hold on, we gotta pick the plate up.
Hers is stirred up, mine not, so y'all can see.
Okay, so this is my plate. It kind of look weird, y'all. And this is my best friend plate. Her stuff look good. Oh, it look good. That's the cheese on the top. That's the cheese on the top, y'all. Nothing else. Don't be thinking nasty.
That's only you.
Okay, but yeah. We're gonna do our first bite.
Yeah, sure, our first bite.
You just... Okay, y'all.
Okay, y'all, this a little hot.
Okay, well, we just gonna do our first bite like this because I can't put the camera down and I don't feel like it. My voice keep doing something weird. Okay. So y'all ready? Mm-hmm. You ready? This not going up. Come on.
Ooh.
It's salty.
Ooh, maybe one time about it's good, but it's better with ground beef.
Right. Turkey don't make it bad, but you know.
Ooh, well, that bite was good. But yeah, and it's better with shredded cheese.
Yeah.
You shredded. You shredded.
But yeah, y'all.
My undercut.
So that was end of our Coco and Naree's
Cooking with Coco and Naree.
Yeah, cooking with Coco and Naree.
Part 1.
Comment down below if you want part 2. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on.
Hit that bell.
And we gonna see you when we see you. And we out. Peace.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Bless. Big old booty bitch message from Texas. What's Nessa?